Today we will talk about uses of concave mirror. What are the uses of concave mirror? First one, we can say in shaving mirrors. We know that in concave mirror, when object is placed between pole and focus like this, the image will behind the mirror, virtual, erect and longer than object. Here AB is object and RS is image. RS is virtual, erect and longer than AB. So the first use of concave mirror we can say in shaving mirrors like this. Okay. A concave mirror is used as a shaving mirror because it forms a magnified and erect image of the face when it is held closer to the face. So we can say, what we can say, concave mirror are often used as shaving mirrors to see a larger image of the face. This is our first use. Now the second use is in torches, searchlight and in vehicle headlights. So concave mirror is used in torches, searchlights and in vehicle headlights. We know that a ray passes through the principal focus like this. Okay, this is pole, this is focus and this one is our concave mirror. So rays passes through the principal focus like this. After reflection will back parallel to the principal axis, and this phenomena is used in torches, searchlights and in vehicle headlights. We can say like this. Okay. So what we have learned? Concave mirrors are used as reflector in headlights of cars, railway engines, torchlights. The source is placed at the focus of a concave mirror like this. The light rays after reflection travels over a large distance as a parallel intense beam. So this phenomena is used in torches, searchlights and in vehicle headlights. Now let me see another uses of concave mirror. Yes, the third one we can say in solar furnace. We know that a ray parallel to the principal axis in concave mirror, okay, like this is our principal axis, okay, this is focus. So a ray parallel to the principal axis in concave mirror after reflection will pass through the principal focus like this. So these are the all rays parallel to principal axis, and after reflection they all goes from the principal focus. So this phenomena is used in solar furnace. So in solar furnace, ray parallel to the principal axis in concave mirror. So concave mirror is used here, and after reflection will pass through the principal focus. Large concave mirrors are used to concentrate sunlight to produce heat in solar furnace. Let me see another use. Okay, the dentist use concave mirrors to see a large image of the teeth of the patients like this. Now the another one is in doctor's head mirror to examine throat and ears like this. Doctor use concave mirror as head mirror. Okay, the mirror is strapped to the doctor's forehead, and light from a lamp after reflection from the mirror is focused into the throat or ear of the patient. Okay, and the next one is a small concave mirror with a small hole at its center is used in the doctor's ophthalmoscope like this. Okay, So the doctor looks through the hole from behind the mirror, while a beam of light from a lamp reflected from it. It directed into the pupil of patient's eye, which makes the retina visible. So these are the uses of concave mirror, and you have to learn all about it. Thanks.